Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to reset your password on the OKX Wallet app. So if you remember your login password, you can do so in the top left corner right here in the user center. Select your profile and settings and then go to security, login password, and under authentication method you will fill in your password that you know and then the new login password. So it must contain 8 to 32 character long, and it's going to be having one uppercase and lowercase, one number, one symbol, and then complete the security authentication. And it's gonna do a authenticator app or email authentication or a phone number authentication, and then you're set and then confirm. So of course, when you do this, the withdrawal function will be unavailable for 24 hours until you log in with the new devices that you have changed the password with. So it's really crucial since hackers can get through your phone, and then when you change their password and they try to withdraw, they want to do it quickly as much as possible. So 24 hours is going to be a holding period that you won't be able to withdraw your money from OKX basically. But it's really simple. So there you go guys.